Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Rudy here with your yard service. Let's talk lawn seeding, overseeding, lawn renovation, everything that involves growing a lawn from seed. And the number one point why projects like that fail or are not very successful is the watering. You got everything right, got the right seeds, you got seed to soil contact, and now you gotta set up the water. Many people believe they can water the lawn, the area they reseed themselves by hand watering. If you have a tiny spot, this may be okay, but so here's the kicker, guys. Your lawn surface or your seeded surface needs to stay moist, not soaking wet, moist 24/7 for about at least 14 days straight. I know that's very hard, and you say like, hey, like we are getting tons of rain, I'm off the hook basically. So unfortunately the rain is not that consistent, although we may get a good dump of rain, but it's not consistent 24 hours. And we may have a hot 2-3 hours that dry out the top surface where the seeds are, and that's enough to basically not providing proper moisture for seed germination. Or let's say like the seeds have germinated, and those little seedlings, they are like very, very tender guys, and if they don't get the right amount of moisture, not enough, and they get baked by the sun, that's it, guys. That's it. Those seedlings are super tender and they need lots of time, love, and care, and your commitment to water it. So anyways, obviously, if you have an in-ground sprinkler system, like an irrigation system, voila, all you need to do is basically adjust the setting so it actually runs more often, because remember, seeds need to stay moist 24/7 for about 14 days at least. So this is not your typical lawn watering every couple or every 3 days. So you want to grow lawn from seeds. That requires a different lawn watering schedule. So again, if you have a lawn irrigation system built in your lawn, just adjust the setting. So if you do not have an irrigation system or a sprinkler system, a very wise choice to do is invest in a watering timer. You can get a watering timer for 1, 2, or 4 zones, like up to 4 outlets in one timer. They run between $1,500 roughly. Get them at your hardware store. By that, then you program the times, and that all depends, the times and the frequency, on how much sun the lawn gets and time of the year. So you need to basically be a little bit observant of what's happening and keep an eye on it. It may take a little bit of practice, but what it will give you, if you have dialed it in, it will give you freedom of your lawn project. You're not going to be a slave forever, as the hand watering guys are, because they need to be out there constantly. And if you have a really hot, sunny day, they're going to be there for a while. Depends how big the area is, and multiple times a day, day after day, right? And the least you want to do is be a slave to your lawn when you want to enjoy summer, right? I mean, like, you want to go out, you want to meet with friends, you want to sit on a patio, you want to go to the lake, you want to go on vacation, right? So a timer on your water system will do that. $5,200 and you're set. Maybe you need to invest in a couple of hoses to set up, but that's all worth for freedom. And in about 14 to 3 weeks, you're going to see little sproutlings coming up with the magic of nature. And there you have it, guys. Lawn watering for your overseeding, seeding your lawn from scratch basically project. Again, this is Rudy here with Your Yard Service. If you have any questions, give us a call, 780-218-8134, or check out our website, youryardservice.com, and see you in the hopefully lush and green lawn.